everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique, and I have a jewelry box. Ooh, look at this. It doesn't have much in it. I got this at auction for probably about $5. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so here's my little jewelry box. Let's see what's in here. I'm super excited. There's not a lot in here, but I thought I would show you. So this one I got in a lot, so it came to about, I don't know, $5 or so, maybe less, from an auction, and I've been picking these up. Now I'm driving quite far to get these, but that's okay. It's worth the drive to, if you have like a big amount of stuff that you're picking up. So okay, let's see. Okay, well, let's dig this out and see what's in here. Okay, here is just, I am the Trojan way. I have no idea. So this is going to go into craft. And it is Susan's birthday today. Happy birthday, Susan. Best dog ever. Okay, this is a very old, very old necklace. Ooh, look at this one. Now this one is broken, but look at the beads. Look at how pretty this was at one time. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. They would have been beautiful to wear. It's too bad that's broken. I'm going to just put this in a craft lot. Over to that side. Ooh, we're already getting dirty. We're already getting dirty, everybody. Okay, so this is sticking out. Here is a little flower if you need a flower in your hair. So I'm going to put that at auction. I like to fill up stuff like this and resell it at local auction. It's just kind of fun for me, and I really like the people. So that's what I'll be doing. Ooh, now this one's pretty. Okay, I'm sneezing. I'll try to cut that out of the video. Okay, so I used my loop, and this, there's nothing. There really isn't a marker, but look at how pretty that is. Ooh. My voice is already going a little hoarse. I keep forgetting to drink. Oh my goodness. Sometimes when you get so busy, you know. Now, this is kind of a gold tone, so I might want to test this one. It looks, boy, that looks like it might be at least gold filled to me. Oh, what is this? Oh, I love the, oh, look at this. This is huge. This is an antique brooch. Look at that. It's missing so many pieces. Oh, if I had the pieces to fix this one, this would be cool. If there are green pieces in here, let's see, 1, 2, 3. I might see if I can find the fill-in for the rest of them. This is pretty. Andy, if I can find 3. Andy Backyard Trucker said that he would fix these. So that would be cool. So if I can find some pieces, then that would be great. I might set this one aside to see if I even find some in different lots. This would be pretty for St. Patty's Day. Look how gorgeous this is. Okay, and there's no marks on that. Oh, I love this so much. Look at how the light catches that. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put that aside. I'm going to start making a little bin for Andy because he said he's kind of bored this time of year. So we will put this aside. Oh, I hope I can find this. This would be so much fun, everybody. So much fun. Ooh, this is cute. Oh, that's cute in a strange way. Oh, I don't know what to think. It looks like there's a mark. Let's check it out. Let's see if we can see it through the lens. Oh, it's 925. So that is silver. Ooh, that is cool. That kid looks really creepy. He looks like he might be the bully. Oh my goodness. So this looks like Ring Around the Rosie. Oh, this could be old. I don't know. To me, this does look kind of old. That is a keeper for sure. I'm going to sell that one on eBay. So let's see. What is this? Okay, so this is a sweater clip. And it's missing a piece. I do get a lot of these though. Let's see if we can find another pair would be great, right? If not, we'll just put this one to craft. But I might be able to find another one to stick on here. Now, if you do sell them and repair them, just, you know, make sure to mention that. So that's going to go to my craft for now, unless I can find the piece in here somewhere. Okay. So, whoops, we're going to put that in the keep pile. Whoops. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty. I don't think this is old. This doesn't look that old. It definitely looks nice though. Look at this earring. Ooh, pretty. That is pretty. Wow. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I'm assuming there's only one, and so what would you do with one? Does anybody do anything crafty with just like one earring? Anything cool? I mean, I guess you could kind of hang it from a Christmas tree and do a little ornament, or make a brooch out of it would be cool, right? That would be cool. Just this part. Yeah, actually that would look nice. Okay, we've got some dangly beads in here. What is this? Oh, it's like a 10? Now this looks like gold to me. And then there's a loop. Okay, I don't know what the loop is for. Boy, that's interesting, right? Maybe there was something else in there, but that sure does look like gold. So I'm going to put that in a pile to test. I have a little bin to, a little plastic bin to test things. This looks like just a piece of pearls. Does that go to this? Wait, that might go to this. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, wow, that's pretty. Are they all there? All the strands. Oh my goodness. Except, okay, so this goes on here. Oh. Okay, we're going to put this in the Andy bin. We are going to make an Andy bin, and he can fix this. So he bought some tools to fix jewelry. Look at this. Ooh. It's kind of got like an AV coating almost to those little beads. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, this is gorgeous. I would say, you know, if you can fix this, it's in pretty good condition. You know, I would say this is 60s. You know, and if it's in good condition, I would say this is probably worth $75 or so. And the reason being that these are worth so much is because if you can see here, hopefully it's not missing any strands. I don't think it is. It's in really good condition. So they don't make necklaces like this anymore where they start up here and they have several strands and then they graduate down, if you can see how they get bigger. And that's a way that it goes around your neck and it makes it lay really nice like that. And they just don't make necklaces like that anymore. That is beautiful. Look at the luster of that. Minty green. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is going in the Andy pile. Okay, and I might put this like in a bag so he knows like this goes to this. But yeah. Okay, this is looks like one to sell. Oh, it's like a pendant slash brooch pin. Ooh, look at that, you guys. Oh. Very nice. Very, very nice. So a little mark right here. Nope, I don't see any other markings really. So this one will get listed on eBay. Ooh, this is a real old sweater clasp. This is in actually very good condition. It looks like there might be one petal, no, maybe two. Couple of them that are actually broken, but I mean, for being so old, this is actually in really nice condition. And this, I wonder if the chain was replaced at some point. The chain to me looks newer. Very nice. Look at this. Wow. Pretty. You know, women dressed really nice back in the day. I like to dress nice too. My family always says I dress like my grandma, so but I never mind that because she was like a very elegant kind of person. Very pretty, everybody. I'm gonna list on eBay, even though it's got some little flaws. I think that's okay. I mean, it's gotta be like 80 years old. Okay, we've got some bits and pieces. Oh, what is this? An earring? Okay. We've got an earring. We have two earrings? I don't know. What's this? Oh. Okay, so these are just going to go to crafts. Unless I can find a pair. And if I can find a pair, I'll just lot it up. Oh. 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 Ooh, I'm going to test this one. What's that say? That says UN. What does that mean? United Nations? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what UN means. If anybody knows, let me know. I would love to know. I don't know. Maybe I could be right on that. I don't know. I don't have my Presidium tester out, or I would test this. I was actually just kind of reorganizing in here. Oh, look at that. I probably should have just kept it out. I have like a strip over here, and I need kind of like an extension cord or something that comes this way, so I can use the Presidium tester without having to move it around too much. So that is nice. Ooh, this might be gold and diamonds. We're gonna test that. We are gonna test that. Let's put it in the test pile. Okay. Oh, that's cute. It's got a little heart. Wait a minute. This looks like it's, you know, that Tiffany blue that I love. Oh, it feels like it's quality made. See that? It's got it. This isn't a string. This is like an actual metal piece here. What's that say? Let's look. Oh my goodness, everybody. What? Tiffany blue is really a Tiffany blue. Look at that. Tiffany and Company. Oh my goodness. Why is this in here? Why is this in here? Oh my goodness. You know what? You're probably not going to see this one on eBay. This is going to have to be my finder's fee. What? Oh my goodness. This is sterling silver. Tiffany. Now, would this fit my wrist? I don't know. It seems really small. I don't have very big wrists either. It might just fit, but I don't know if it actually would. Maybe if I can find like one more loop to this. What? Why is this in here? Oh my gosh, it's marked 925 right here too. You know, I never thought about looking right here. Okay, everybody, make sure to look at your clasp. Oh my goodness. That's actually marked. And it's got a little thing here. I was kind of thinking like this should be a quality made item because most of the jewelry kind of stuff has that, they don't have like stretchy bracelets at the jeweler. They have like really nice chains. Actually, this is made very nice. Oh my goodness, everybody. What? How does this happen? Oh my goodness. What in the world? I've got some other bracelets on here too. Look at that. What? Oh my goodness. How in the world did this happen? What? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm so excited. This is gonna have to stay here. Here's my little, I think some of these are for sale. I think I listed this one. This one says Anne on it, so I'm gonna list that one. That's super old. It's hard for me to get rid of the really old stuff. Okay, is that it? Oh, oh, there's an earring. This is marked RMN. I'm wondering if these are actually real diamond earrings. Boy. See in the back? RMN. Okay, interesting, right? I don't know. They're a little cloudy for diamonds, I think. I think mine's probably a little dirty because I haven't washed it and I don't know how long. Does mine? Yeah, mine doesn't really. I mean, when they're dirty, they might not sparkle. Okay. Oh. Oh, I wish there was two of these. I love these earrings. Oh, look at that. Even if these were fake, I love these. I would totally wear these like all the time. It matches kind of like the necklace, right? It's real similar. Oh, I wish there was two of these. Maybe I did buy some other jewelry boxes from the same person. So let's keep this to the side and see if we find another one. I think I'll actually keep this one to the side for now too and see what we can find. So we have like, okay, so we have a couple items I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell these. We're gonna test that. We're gonna test those earrings and stuff. I'm gonna keep this for later, see if I can find a match. This, we are going to sell this one. That is real sterling silver. We're gonna definitely fix this one. And I'm hoping to find some pieces just in a bunch of vintage stuff. This dates back from anywhere between 1890s to probably the 40s. And that's when those button styles were really in style. So they kind of came out in the Victorian era. Very neat. You can tell it's well made because it's got some openings in the back because they want the light to shine through. Very nice. That is so cool. I'm definitely going to be on the hunt. Even if I have to maybe buy some of these. I'll have to look. Okay. All right, let's see. Is there any more in here? Just some little loose things. And I can't pry that up, so I don't think there's anything hiding. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.